Hello everyone, welcome to Feng Shui Cafe. In my last video, I talked about how the 9 flying stars could impact our house's feng shui in many ways. In summary, a good luck star brings positive energy. Therefore, we need to do more activities in these areas to activate the positive effects. On the contrary, an evil star brings negative energy, so we should try to avoid using these areas as much as possible because we don't want any negative energy to affect us. A question I have been asked frequently was, what if the evil stars fly to the areas that you need to use the most, such as your front door, your bedroom, and your kitchen? Well, now I will share with you 3 important tips that can help you reducing the negative energy in these areas. In 2021, there are 4 bad luck stars. In my previous video, I've shown you how to determine your house's feng shui using the flying star chart. Feel free to check it out. Now I'm going to show you the remedies. Number 2 star is associated with disease, and number 5 star is associated with destruction and misfortune. Both stars belong to the earth element. Therefore, we can use metal to reduce the negative effects of number 2 and number 5. This is because in the 5-element cycle, which is metal, water, wood, fire, and earth enhances metal. So when earth meets metal, the metal element absorbs energy from earth, and as a result, the harmful energy from number 2 and number 5 gets reduced. To implement this remedy, we can place a round-shaped metal in these 2 areas. For example, we can put a round-shaped plate or bowl that's made of stainless steel, gold, or silver in the areas of number 2 and number 5. Number 3 star is associated with conflicts. It belongs to the wood element. Therefore, we can use fire element to reduce its energy. This is because wood enhances fire, and fire can subdue the harmful energy generated by the number 3 star. To implement this remedy, we can place a red-colored item in this area, such as a red carpet, because red represents fire. By placing a red carpet in the direction of the number 3 star can help reducing the negative energy. Number 7 star is associated with violence. It belongs to the metal element. Therefore, we can use water to reduce its energy. This is because metal enhances water and can help reducing the harmful energy generated by number 7. To implement this remedy, we can place a fish tank in this direction. Let's use this floor plan as an example. By placing the 9 flying star chart on top of the floor plan would allow us to see which stars are affecting which areas of the house. In this case, we can place a round-shaped metal item in the direction of north and southeast, where number 2 and number 5 stars are, respectively, and place a red carpet in the direction of number 3 star, which is southwest, and place a fish tank in the direction of the number 7 star, which is northwest. In my next video, I will talk about how the 5 elements affect our lives. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message and subscribe to my channel.